Alright, y'all, we're out here on the lake getting ready to get started. I have Miguel over here. We got little Miguel down here. Jeremiah and Ray. I'm gonna throw some of this chum out and see if we can't get some catfish started. Does that smell good? That's a good fish on there, buddy. You keep reeling. You helping him out? Here he comes. Oh, there he is. Yeah, that's a good 6.5, 7 pound blue, guys. Good fish. You feel him? Is he on there still? Just push the jug behind you.
Put it in the boat.
Yeah, just pull him over the boat. That's another little blue. Nice little blue. It's a big fish, huh? Reel down. Oh, big bend to that rod, huh? Look at that. You're getting him, just don't let go. You're doing fine. Pull him over to Pops. I'll get him from here. Bring him this way. Awesome. Watch out, guys. Another good cat. Good eater. A big fish or what? Do you have a fish on?
Yep.
You do? Oh, you got a fish. Yeah, we got doubles. That's the way to do it, boys. There's that fish. Here. Okay, stop reeling. Bring him over here a little bit. Hold on, we got... Don't reel anymore. Bring him this way. Bring him more. There we go. All right, keep pulling. You got him? Here, back up. That's a big fish or what? There's a little man going at it. Woo! Where is he? He's coming. You got him. You got him. He's all you, bub. Look, that's the biggest one yet on rod and reel. Look at that fish. We need a net, bub.
Whoa.
I need a net. Look at that. That's a good fish. Stop reeling. Pull up. Okay, now pull him to me. Pull him right into that net. Nice. Look at that. Look at that.
Whoa.
Yeah, that's a big fish.
Yeah, he called it.
Now we're catching a couple. That chum works. It really, really works. Make you some. Not bad. Another good sized cat. Nice. He's almost here. Here he comes. There he is. All right, stop reeling. This is just a lucky rod. That one's catching all the fish. Almost all of them.
Oh, that catfish. Catfish.
All right, this side of the boat, guys. Boys, you guys get on the other opposite side. It's either a heavy fish or it's sitting deep on bottom. He's on there somewhere. There you go. Not bad. It's an eater anyway.
Okay.
Yeah, just flip them right in. Another nice little blue, a couple pounds.
Miguel.
Miguel. Hey, buddy.
Yeah, he's recording me too, huh?
Miguel. Here, right here. Look right here at the camera. You're talking to people on YouTube so you can see yourself later on, okay? Look right at the camera. Did you guys have a lot of fun today? Huh? Make yourself some of that catfish chum bait, y'all. You catch a few fish just like this. Few on jugs, few on rod and reel. We had a lot of fun. Everybody beating ants off themselves.